Are you looking for a way to make money online without putting in long hours or investing a lot of money? Well, I have a solution for you. ChatGPT is the newest way to make money online, and it's easier than ever. ChatGPT is a revolutionary platform that allows you to make money online in a fun, interactive way. All you have to do is answer questions and share your opinion in an online chat, and you will be rewarded with points that can be redeemed for cash. There's no need to worry about spending hours in front of a computer or investing a lot of money. With ChatGPT, you can make money in a fun and easy way. In this video, you will discover 7 ways to make money using ChatGPT online quickly and easily. We will also show you how to maximize your earnings with this fantastic system. So, if you're ready to start making money online with ChatGPT, then let's get started. Number 1. Paid surveys. Have you heard of paid surveys using ChatGPT? It's an incredible way to make money in your spare time. With paid surveys, by using ChatGPT, you can make money by simply chatting with others and completing surveys. Paid surveys are offered by companies who want to get feedback from a wide variety of people. When you participate in paid surveys, you get paid for answering questions and providing your opinion. You can take as many or as few surveys as you want, and you get paid for each one. Plus, the AI-generated responses are more personalized, allowing you to make a more accurate impression for the survey company. For example, Swagbucks is a popular GPT site that pays members for taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. You can also earn points for completing tasks like searching the web, playing games, and taking daily polls. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. So why waste time filling out long and tedious surveys when you can use ChatGPT to speed up the process and get paid faster? Number 2. Develop bots. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool for developing bots. With it, developers can create bots that can understand natural language and respond to the user input in a conversational manner. It is not only a great way to create bots for customer service, but it can also be used to create bots for marketing and sales purposes. With ChatGPT, businesses have the ability to automate their customer interactions, helping them to save time and money. With its natural language processing capabilities, your bot can quickly and accurately answer customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even optimize your website's content to drive more sales. What's more, businesses can even make money with ChatGPT by monetizing their bots by offering services or products. For example, a business could create a bot that helps customers purchase products or services online, or a bot that offers personalized advice to customers. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, businesses can save time and money while increasing customer engagement. Number 3. Create content. ChatGPT can be used to create engaging and optimized content for SEO. It uses natural language processing to generate text that is similar to human-written content. With ChatGPT, you can generate content for blogs, websites, and social media posts quickly and easily. You can make money with ChatGPT by offering content generation services to clients. You can also create content for sale on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. With ChatGPT, you can create content quickly and easily, allowing you to generate income from the comfort of your own home. AI can help you create tailored content for your target audience, helping you reach more potential customers. With ChatGPT, you can create content quickly and efficiently to make money online. Number 4. YouTube videos. You can use GPT-3 technology to create engaging YouTube videos that can help you make money online. With ChatGPT, you can create an interesting, attention-grabbing hook line for your video that will draw in your viewers and keep them engaged. By leveraging the power of AI, you can craft a unique, personalized hook line that will make your video stand out from the crowd and increase the chances of people watching and sharing your video. For example, you could create an explainer video for a product or service that you are promoting. You could also create tutorial videos to help teach people how to do something. Additionally, you could use GPT-3 to create entertaining videos that viewers will enjoy watching. Once you have created the videos, you can use YouTube's monetization features to start making money from your videos. Number 5. Sell services. Do you want to make money online by selling services? If so, ChatGPT can help. ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence tool that can help you create powerful and engaging conversations with your customers. With ChatGPT, you can have real-time conversations with customers, allowing you to provide personalized services quickly and efficiently. Plus, ChatGPT can help you to identify customer needs and suggest the best possible solutions. For example, if you're selling marketing services, you can create an automated chatbot that can answer customer questions and provide information about your services. It can even help with sales by providing recommendations and suggesting products or services. This innovative artificial intelligence platform can also help freelance writers unlock their earning potential by automating the process of creating content. GPT has the ability to generate persuasive copy that is tailored to your target audience. It can also create persuasive headlines, taglines, and descriptions to make your website stand out. You can also use GPT-3 to generate sample writing pieces that showcase your writing style to potential clients. Number 6. Build chatbot apps. Chatbots have become a popular way to make money online, and GPT-3 technology makes it even easier. With GPT-3, you can create powerful chatbot apps that are capable of understanding natural language requests and responding with useful answers. For example, you could create a chatbot app that helps people find the best restaurants in their area, or one that offers personalized recommendations based on user preferences. With ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily create chatbot apps for any purpose and for any audience, from customer service bots to personal assistant bots. Creating a chatbot app with ChatGPT is simple and doesn't require any coding knowledge. All you need is a few minutes and a basic idea of your chatbot app's purpose. You can then use ChatGPT's drag-and-drop interface to customize your app. You can add text and media, create rules, and set up the flow of conversation. Once your chatbot is ready, you can start making money with it. You can monetize your app in various ways, such as by charging a subscription fee, offering in-app purchases, or running ads. You can also sell your app on the App Store or Google Play Store. Number 7. Publish tutorials. With GPT-3 Chatbot, you can create engaging and informative tutorials quickly and easily. Take the hassle out of content creation and let GPT-3 do the work for you. Imagine being able to monetize your knowledge and expertise by publishing tutorials on anything from cooking to programming. With ChatGPT, you can make money online by doing just that. Let's take a look at a quick example. Say you want to create a tutorial on how to design a website. GPT-3 can generate the content for you in no time. All you have to do is provide the chatbot with a few keywords, such as website design, and it will start producing relevant content. From there, you can customize the tutorial to your needs and publish it online for others to learn from. The next example is, let's say you're a passionate cook. You can create a tutorial series with ChatGPT and share it with the world. You can use the platform to create a simple step-by-step guide to a particular recipe. You can also include images and videos to make the tutorial more engaging. Once you've created your tutorial, you can start making money online by sharing it on your website, blog, or social media platforms. ChatGPT pays you a commission whenever someone sees or purchases your tutorial. The future looks bright for ChatGPT, which offers a great way to make money online. Plus, it's easy to use, and you can earn money immediately. So why not give it a try? This was all from today's video. Make sure you have hit the bell icon for upcoming videos, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.